ADD/ADHD, teaching and dealing with difficult learners. Attention deficit disorder, hyperactivity disorder, are real and debilitating disorders that affect millions of children. This practical online program will help you identify children that are suffering from ADD or ADHD, and more importantly, learn to tailor and differentiate your instruction to teach these students. Using an array of real-life examples, you will learn how common-sense approaches have helped ADD students become better organized and able to interact with other children. The program features a range of ADD experts, including clinical psychologist Dr. Robert Hill, author of the book How Neurofeedback Can Successfully Treat Attention Deficit Disorder Without Drugs.
I primarily treat people with attention deficit disorder, but I treat them with a new form of biofeedback called neurofeedback. It's a special form of biofeedback in which we actually train people to change their brainwave functioning.
Dr. Seaburn Fisher, Clinical Director of an ADD Treatment Center.
The gift of neurofeedback really is to help quiet the dysregulation and the over-arousal of the nervous system, which it does through feedback to the brain. The system calms down and the child, the adult, is much better able to focus and pay attention.
And Dr. Joseph Yeager, National Expert on Behavior Modification.
One of the key issues that we have to deal with ADD and ADHD is the school environment. And like for instance, children with this diagnosis, although they're quite unique, they still have to function within a school system. The school system itself has certain design features as a system that don't necessarily interact very comfortably with the individual student.
Also included in the program are Tony Scanella and Sharon McCarthy, longtime educators with extensive experience in dealing with ADD students.
For some children, medicine is a godsend. We know that for a fact. And if it's really necessary, we highly recommend it. But we really recommend highly a holistic approach to the treatment of ADD and ADHD.
You need to be absolutely ruthless in teaching them how to organize, right down to the detail. Children who have the behaviors of ADD, ADHD are actually very brilliant children. I know you know that already. I know that you see what they're capable of and how they can think of many things at once. What you can do as a parent to help them shine that diamond in the rough is to teach them really precise organizational systems.
These high-powered experts provide you with a collection of proven strategies for teaching, disciplining, and setting rules for ADD children. A thorough review of the pros and cons of medication versus behavioral modification are also discussed. This comprehensive online program will prove a valuable tool for teachers, administrators, or parents seeking practical support for teaching, communication, and managing students with this increasingly recognized condition.